everyone, it's Lizzie from Lizzie's World of Gems. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about my enhancements for blinging in the new year. Now, if you don't know what blinging in the new year is, it is an event being hosted by DP Addiction Adventures, Tia's Crazy Craft Addiction, and Tmall, which is Diamond Painting with Sparklers, which is the biggest company that you can purchase enhancements from in the USA. Now, I do have some from Tmall on here. I do have some from Captured by Radiance, and I do have some for Forever Young that I got my enhancements from. Because I live in Canada, it's very expensive to order all from DP with Sparklers. So when I go to retreats and stuff, I try to get stuff off of her. But yeah, I should have got more than I did. I should have got more when I went to Great Lakes, but I didn't, and I regret it every day now. But I did get some enhancements from Captured by Radiance that kind of are like DP with Sparklers, the ones that she calls sparklers, and are these little tiny crystals that are round that fit in square. I have them. I have the orange, and then I used glitter jellies from Forever Young on these two greens. I have a light green and a dark green. I use that. So far, this is what you see. I have some bubbles here. They are the Terra, I think it's called. These bubbles. And then more here. And then I did some blues. Now, I wrote them all on here for you guys to see. So I added 9. So 1311 is like a dark blue, and it's called Songs Singing of the Blues. So that's what that one is. And then the bubbles I told you about. 553 is also a little crystal, which I don't think I've gotten to it yet, and it's Air Violet. The Hyacinth, I already told you, it's the orange. Then I got Sapphire is another blue. Montana is another like blue. One's a dark blue. I think it's that one. I think it's Montana. And then I told you the jelly is the light and the green. Then I have another bubble, and it is blue, and it's called Splash. So those are the ones that I did for this kit, plus the 10 enhancements that already come with the kit. So this is going to be blinged up pretty good. I really like how these ones are working out over here, the crystals. I don't think it would have been that shiny if I didn't have the crystals there. But other than that, it's turning out really good. So I'll keep you updated on how it is looking and how far I get every week. That is my plan, to give you guys an update every week about how this is going. I don't have the picture in my logbook yet because I kind of wanted it here so I can see it as I go, to kind of help me map out some stuff. Here I thought maybe I should change this hand because I didn't really like the way it looked up close, but on camera it doesn't look as bad, but it kind of like has a shadow there, and I was thinking maybe I should just make it lighter like the hand. But then I decided to trust the process and go with what the hand charted. But I don't know. That one is still, it might look better as I go along and it won't bother me as much. But we'll wait and see what happens. But yeah, I kind of wanted to change up her lips too. But I don't know, because it is a faint color. I don't know what I'm going to do there as well. The whole point of this orange was I was going to try to put it throughout her hair. It doesn't seem like there's much of what I picked out for her hair. This is such a big painting, I kind of just threw in what I thought would look good. And I don't know. But I think it's looking pretty good for what I got so far. And I will keep you more updated on how it is going. I don't really remember everything that goes on down here, but we'll have to see when we get to that area. But I'm going to start working on the top of her head here, which is very exciting, and finishing kind of like her flower crown in her hair. So that would be cool. And then I'm going to get into her face. I usually start from this way and work my way up, but I thought I'd start from the head and work down this time. I don't know if that was a good idea or not, but that is the way I mapped it out this time around. Like I said, I want to keep this here with me. I am working out of my tray bricks, which makes it very easy to go back and forth. I really love my tray bricks. So whatever this one was, I did just put in the enhancements here instead of putting the regular color. Like, look at these bubbles. I can't wait till I get to this part where I have these blue bubbles, and I'm pretty sure it might be in her wings, and I think it's gonna look really, really cool. I'm not 100% sure yet where they go, but yeah, maybe in her dress as well. I just think this is the most beautiful painting, and I hope I do it justice. I hope I don't ruin it by what enhancements. Like, I mapped this all out myself. I didn't have any help from any charting or anything from anybody. This is all coming from my head, and I hope it turns out okay. I'm trying to see if I can try to map things out on my own without extra help. Plus, I'm pretty sure there is not an enhancement pack from DP Universe Sparklers for this one, but I think she should do one because it's just so gorgeous. I love this painting so, so much. But with that said, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will keep you updated on this kit as I go along. Till next time, guys, take care, and some heart love for you. Bye. Hey guys, it's me again. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe to this video, and hit that notification bell, and it'll remind you whenever I load up a video. I'd be super tickled pink. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye.